Buds, we are here at the lake today, wishing you a happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
This is my daughter, my beautiful assistant, and she has got this potato drone. Why would you build a drone like this, Dave? Because we want to test the drone lifeline. The drone lifeline is this little device on the back. It is a float with a water ejection system. So if it gets wet, that little white pill is going to dissolve, eject the bobber, and stay attached to the drone. So the drone's float will go up and we'll be able to pull it up out of the creek or the lake. Here we are on the lake. Big, beautiful spot. And we want to see how long does this thing take to float. I have a feeling this potato is going to come off when I throw it. But I'm going to throw it as hard as I can. Right out there. The lake goes, I'd say right about there is about 20 feet deep, and about in the middle is 50 feet deep. So we're going to see, will this thing bring the drone home? And we got the boat right here, so we can go fish it back after it comes up to float. So without further ado, the drone lifeline. Oh, we lost the potato.
Yeah.
But will it come back?
Yes, that is the question.
Oh, the bobber's up. I see it.
Same. But what if a fish? No. But
Wait, where's it at? I don't see it now. Wait for it. Oh, there it is. It's back. See the bobber? Right there. Zooming in. Zoom, zoom, zoom. Enhance. Enhance. There it is. Pretty quick and effective. I gotta say, I like this. Now we gotta get the boat and go fish it back in.